Hello, Kushi.
Hello.
What happened? Why are you looking so sad?
Because of division by two-digit numbers. Whenever I have to divide a number with a two-digit number, it always takes so much time to write the whole table down.
I understand. Don't worry. Let me tell you the right way to do it. When you're dividing a number by a two-digit number, there are two things that matter. First, how do you write the table of the divisor? Second, how do you select the quotient? First, let's see number one. How do you write the table of the divisor? Let's see the fastest way with which we can write the table of a two-digit number. Here I'm writing the table of 56. First do 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. So write 2 over here and keep 1 in your hand. And then 2 times 5 is 10. So add this 1 to the 10 and you will get 11. So write 11 over here. Similarly, 3 times 6 is 18. So write 8 over here and 1 in your hand. And 3 times 5 is 15. So add 15 to this 1, you will get 16, right? 16 over here. Similarly, 6 times 4 or 4 times 6 is 24. So write 4 over here, 2 in your hand. And then 4 times 5 is 20. So 20 plus 2 is 22, right? 22 over here. And similarly, you can do it quickly. 5 times 6 is 30, 3 in your hand. 5 times 5 is 25, 25 plus 3, 28. 6 times 6 is 36, right? 6 over here, 3 in your hand. 5 6 are 30 plus 3 is 33. 7 times 6 is 42, so write 2 over here, 4 in your hand. 7 times 5 is 35, 35 plus 4 is 39. 8 times 6 is 48, right? 8 over here, 4 in your hand. 8 times 5 is 40 plus 4, 44. 9 times 6 is 54, right? 4 over here and 5 in your hand. And 9 times 5 is 45. So 45 plus 5 is 50. And then 56 times 10 is 560. So in this manner, you can write the table of any two-digit number in just 15 to 30 seconds. Now, the second point that matters is, how do you select the quotient? Now, let's see that. Divide a number 7084 by 28. Now, I'm not going to write the table of 28 over here. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to think of a number which is near to 28 and writing the table of that number is easier, or maybe thinking the table of that number is easier. For example, from 28, 25, thinking the table of 25 is easy. We all know, if you have done your skip counting properly, we all know that 25's table is just 25, 50, 75, 100, and then these four numbers keep repeating for different lines of hundreds, right? So I will think of the 25's table. So here 25 times 3 is 75, which is already bigger than 70. So why will I try 28 times 3? If 25 times 3 is bigger, obviously 28 times 3 will be bigger, right? So I will try 28 times 2, only 28 times 2. So 2 times 8 is 16, 6 here, 1 in your hand. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. It will give you 56. So let's write 2 over here and 56 over here and subtract it. Now, when you subtract it, this will give you 4 and this will give you 1, right? So now this 8 comes down. Now we have 148. Now let's think of the 25's table again. After this, we have 125, then we have 150. Now 150 is bigger than 148. If 25 times 6 is bigger, obviously 28 times 6 will be bigger. So I will not even try 28 times 6. I will try 28 times 5. 5 8s are 40. 4 in your hand, 5 2s are 10, plus 4 is 140. I will write 5 over here and I will write 140 over here. Then we get 8 and this 4 comes down. Now I know 25 times 4 is 100, which is bigger. So 25 times 3 is 75, which is less. So let's try 28 times 3. So 3 8s are 24, 4 here, 2 in your hand, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 will give you 8, 84. So you'll write 3 over here and 84 over here. So you got the quotient as 253. This is how you solve a division by applying logic and the trick that I showed you a few minutes back.
Wow, that makes it so much easier. I'm not leaving any more questions on my next maths exam.
All the best.
Thank you.